Didn't I tell you Voxter was going to sell off? Let's have a listen.
I'm going to make a prediction. I'm going to make a prediction that this is going to get resolved. That depositors will eventually get all of their money back. Maybe initially they'll get like 50% of it back. The company that is on MCE that had most of their cash in this bank is going to rally, and Voxter is going to sell off.
Yep, that company rallied and Voxter sold off.
Even though Voxter has no connection to this bank, doesn't have the money in this bank, Voxter is going to get sold off. Why? Because it's going to be Monday. It's going to be Monday. It's going to be Tuesday. They'll come up with reasons to hate it. They'll come up with reasons to sell it. They'll come up with reasons to be bearish. And that's just going to be my prediction. Even though Voxter has no connection to it, it's going to sell off, right?
Let's have a look at the chart. Recently, December 5th, 2022, Voxter reached, this is Canadian 22, rallied 100%. Since January 30, it's back down almost 50%, giving up all of its gains. So how did I know that the Voxter was going to sell off after all these? Because I am very good at predicting what idiots are going to do, okay? Right now, what happens with Voxter, sellers wake up every day and they forget that yesterday they learned about recession coming. You see, they wake up fresh every day, they open the computer, newspaper, and they're like, recession is coming. What should I do today? Oh, I got it. I should sell Voxter. Then the next day, they wake up. Oh my God, recession is coming. What should I do today? Oh, I should sell Voxter today. And then they forget again, and then they learn something new. Then they're like, oh, interest rates are going up. What should I do today? Oh, I got it. I have a good idea. Sell Voxter today. Then they forget again, and then it's, oh yeah, if the Fed is raising interest rates, what should I do? I got it. Sell Voxter today. That's how the market operates today. It doesn't matter what the company does. It doesn't matter that, for example, in the video yesterday, I posted that 30 banks are in the pilot for AOL. Forget that, oh yeah, I got it. Recession is coming. What do? I sell Voxter. Doesn't matter that, for example, that the tax business is about to get a major boost. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that foreclosures, the foreclosure business is picking up. It doesn't matter. It's all blank. 3 inches in front of people's face. Oh, recession is coming. Oh, the Fed is raising interest. What should I do today? Let me look at my portfolio. Oh, I should sell Voxter, but I don't have any Voxter shares. Oh, I got it. How about sell Voxter short? This is where we are today. So I don't know. I don't know when the bottom for something like this is. I don't know, because if every day they wake up and they forget that they read yesterday that the recession is coming, and then they read it for the first time, I have no idea, because it seems to me like they would literally sell those shares at any price. Any price. It doesn't matter if it's 23 cents, 15 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, 2 cents. I think they would literally pay you to take their shares, just like they were paying to take. You remember when oil went negative? People were paying the buyer to take the oil. It would not surprise me a bit that somebody would pay you to take their Voxter shares. It would not surprise me at all. Why? Oh, because it's Tuesday, and it's because oh yeah, recession is coming. It's like, remember this one time, I gave this example of how, it flipped from in 2021, you know, you're buying a house, right? And then you're like, oh, but it has a pool in the back. Oh, okay, well, I'll pay you 10,000 more. And then the seller says, well, but it has a pool in the back. Okay, I already paid you 10,000 for it. Oh, it has a pool in the back. Do you want me to pay you $1 million for the house just because you told me that it has a pool in the back? But you know what? Actually, in 2021, that's exactly what people were doing. They weren't questioning that. Every time the seller said there's a pool in the back, they were willing to pay that 10,000 more. And very soon they were paying millions of dollars for houses that were like, normally would be worth 200,000, right? And now the whole thing flipped the other way, where the buyers are like wanting to buy a house, and then they tell the seller, but it doesn't have a pool in the back. And the seller says, okay, well, pay me 10,000 less. But it doesn't have a pool in the back. Doesn't have a pool in the back. And then they say it hundreds of times, and very soon the seller says, you know what, just take the house. I will pay you for the house because it doesn't have a pool in the back, right? So I should pay you to take the house. That's where we are today, right? It's like, oh, the recession is coming. Oh, so therefore I'm going to pay less for this, for Voxtur. It's only Voxtur because all the other stocks, like the Dow, is going up, right? But it's what's today? It's Monday or Tuesday. Oh yeah, what do we do today? Oh, we sell Voxtur. Why? Oh, it doesn't have a pool in the back. What do we do today? Oh, it doesn't have a pool in the back. But instead of the pool in the back, it's recession is coming. Oh, I didn't know that. I had no idea. Interest rates are going up. I also had no idea. And then tomorrow they're going to forget. And then they're going to do the same thing again and again and again. So that's how I knew that Voxtur was going to sell off. Why? Because I know stupid.